John Carl Reyes. I'm an Amazon specialist for. And what I like about MAG is the teamwork and the support system as well. What I like about here in MAG as well is that in every issue that we're facing, there's really a process, and you have a team that will back you up whenever you're facing difficulties in dealing with a specific task. So that's what I really love about this being part of the company. And also, I want to shout out my brand manager, Maria Telma. Yep, she's really good and really kind. So, yep, I'm really enjoying my stay here. So, I'm looking forward to more years to come. And thank you so much. Mag really helped me financially and arrange my financial status. And also, I was able to achieve my dream PC build and play my favorite online game, which is Elden Ring. Mag is giving me time freedom, actually. More time with my family and balance of work as well. So it doesn't feel like you're really working in a toxic environment, because it's really not toxic. So that's what I really like about being part of MAG. And MAG really helped me a lot.